So once again, children, the next will be the side thrust kick. Now for the side thrust, if you are very flexible, you can kick as high as you can. What I suggest that you start low, side. Okay, make use of the side also of your feet or your foot, but with thrust. There. So side right thrust. You can use that one to hit the knees of your opponent, side, or you can do the higher side thrust. But be careful, you should be very warmed up if you do that. Okay? So 1, 2, up. And 1, 2. Okay? So you can do that to the right side, you can do that to the left side. So that is all about side thrust.